You definitely heard of ChatGPT, the one who passed so many interviews to Google, including the one for level 3 engineer with a salary of $183,000. It also can create text, music, and images. In this video, we're going to try to do my nails using artificial intelligence. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Anastasia. Recently, I saw this video on YouTube by Emily Susanna, where artificial intelligence created a nail art for her. And since I'm a fan of technology, artificial intelligence, and everything new, I immediately wanted to try it as well. Also, it's time to do my nails, so it will be super exciting if for the first time in my life, I'm not going to be the author of my design. Someone else is going to create it for me, and someone else is not even a human. We need to type the detailed request of what do we want. By the way, I think it's very similar to what we actually do as a nail technicians, because when clients come, it's rare when they show us an actual picture of what do they want on their nails. They just verbally ask us, like, I want pretty nails, pastel shades with flowers. And then we need to generate something. So that's exactly the same, but this time artificial intelligence is going to do this for us. I love almond nails, I love transparent designs and glitter, so let's try something like this. Pretty almond nails with inlay design and glitter. This is the designs that we have. Well, I wouldn't say that this one is almond. Looks like square to me. Okay, well, this one is also like a combo of almond and a little bit of square, but these look so realistic, like an actual natural nails. And here we also have like more like a square shape, and I wouldn't also call this almond. Okay, so I guess I need to specify it better. Pretty almond shaped nails with inlay design, glitter, and maybe let's add some rhinestones. This looks like almonds now. Oh wow, okay, this is also something. I wonder why they picked these color combinations. Okay, I kind of like this one. It's like nude almond nails with something 3D, which is definitely metallic or even rhinestones. I actually should save this idea, so you can save any ideas that you like. But let's say if you like this nail art but you want something similar, you can click variations, and then we will see different options based on this picture. So we have 4 more designs. This was the original, and ooh, I like this one. It looks like a crushed shell or like a rhinestones, and here we have, this one looks like a nail art some nail technician would do to their clients, because I think it's like metallic 3D accessory on top. However, I have no idea how to do this, and they definitely need to work a little bit on shaping. Okay, let's try something else. Since this is springtime, let's try pretty spring nail art on long nails with glitter. I think this tool would be very helpful if you have this creative crisis and you're like thinking, oh no, I ran out of ideas completely, and you can use this tool. Oh my god, I think I love them all. Look at this one. It's like a marble, and then we have some golden spots on top, and I also like the background they used, and the shaping is cool too. All right, this is another one. I also like the color combination they picked, which is green and light pink. And this one is also pretty cool and looks so realistic. Can you guys imagine that this was actually created by a robot. This is not an actual picture, and what's most importantly, no one ever will have the exact same design at the same moment because it was not created by human. And this one looks pretty too. So let's try something else. I would like long stiletto nails with inlay design and transparent spots and glitter. Oh my god, sometimes I'm not even sure what I want. So this can be also a great tool when you don't know what you want to do for your nails. Okay, we have unusual stiletto design. This reminds me of these traditional Russian trees. I will add the picture right here. And also looks like we have some crazy pattern on the nail bed area. This is white milky nails with something golden. This one's pretty easy and looks nice though. It's like milky stilettos, a little bit transparent with some foil or something else inside. And this one is also like white stilettos with these chunks of foil. And once again, they remind me of these Russian trees. Oh well, so I kept playing with these pictures. I have to say that you just do not notice how the time flies, but at some point we just need to stop and pick something. So as I was trying to enter almond nails in different ways, by the way, you will never ever get the same result. I saw these nails and I think they look so pretty. I actually wanted this design for myself. It's like milky color, we have some foil or crushed shell. But then I clicked on variations to see like more options, and it generated so many pretty nail designs, including this one. By the way, she's holding like one nail in her hand, but it still looks very pretty. And then there was another one. I cannot clearly see what's going on with this nail art, but I definitely know how I would create it. I will just use this brush strokes to create this abstract design. And finally, I saw this because I wanted to create something I've never done. You know, it won't be fun to try something I do like every day. It's like combination of inlay design. We have some white color that I like. We have almond shape, and we also have some kind of foil or glitter and chrome on top. This is the combination I would never ever think of in my life in one design. So I'm really excited to try it now on my nails. Let's do it. First, I'm going to file off the product that I had in my nails. As usual, I didn't have time for infill for myself, so I ended up having them for too long. So then I filed them short, and now it's simply time to take these acrylic nails off. As I was doing product removal, I take a look at this picture again and think to myself, why did I pick the one that is so challenging? Because honestly, I have no idea how to do it. Then I take off the surface shine from the outgrown part of my nails with 180 grit file and complete dry manicure by cutting my cuticles with manicure scissors. I love long almond nails, but I'm going to make mine shorter than on this picture because I have a few long flights ahead with 2 large suitcases. I feed the form, then I apply dehydrator, let dry and non-acid primer. And finally, I apply a thin layer of the base coat and cure it in LED for 30 seconds. I decided to use gel to do extensions, and since all nails have white color in them and it looks like it's mostly on the background, I decided to build the free edge with white gel. When you take a look at this design, I think it's obvious that it's not flat, so I cannot just paint some color on top and achieve the same look. On some nails, white is definitely underneath, so I'm doing the right thing. But then I take a look on some other nails, like on the middle finger, and we can see that white looks like it's on top, hand-painted smile line or something. I just realized that this is probably the biggest nail challenge I've ever done so far, because I need to recreate the design that was not created using existing nail art products and techniques. So I build the free edge with white gel, make sure it's all even and nice, cure it in LED, and then I'm going to add some glitter on top. It looks like they have all kinds of foil, and normally in real life I don't think I would ever combine these colors, orange, yellow and pink foil. No, I don't think I would have put them together, but let's try it. So I apply clear gel, I do not cure it, and luckily I have some colorful flakes, including blue ones. So I add them first, and then I add some yellow that have also like green and orange color in them. Most times that I see any design on Pinterest, on Instagram, I already have the same products that I need to create this, or at least similar products. And this time I do not have them, so I have to be extra creative. I added some clear gel on top, cure it, then I take off the form, and it looks like they have this chrome color on top near the cuticle, but it's definitely on top. So I'm going to encapsulate the design with clear gel first and add some color over there. And it is going to be a challenge as well, because this color looks like chrome, it doesn't look like silver glitter, and chrome that we have is chrome powder, and also I have this liquid chrome that is silver, but they do not look so transparent. Once you apply them even on the light background, they're not really see-through. If you guys have any ideas on how to solve this puzzle, what can we use to make the similar semi-transparent silver chrome on top, I would appreciate it if you share it in the comments. And meanwhile, I cure the clear gel that I used for sealing the design, and then I file and shape it. I just slightly file the shape with 180 grit file, and then I buff the surface with 220 grit buffer. And finally we have nails shaped and nice, and then I'm going to add some design on top. By the way, I already like them the way they are. I would gladly have my design just like this. And by the way, this does look like my style. What do you think? However, we have a task. We need to recreate this design. So I decided to use this liquid chrome. I just realized that this is a liquid chrome. I had it for like 5 years, but we called it differently back then. And create an ombre. Just like I expected, it is not transparent, even though I applied one coat and I tried to apply it thin. It's not see-through near the cuticle, and the color covers it pretty well. Oh well, I guess that's how close we can get to recreating this design. Then I do this ombre with a fan brush. By the way, this color, it's air cured, so we do not really need a lamp to cure it. And I finished the design, and I decided to leave my thumb without the chrome because I want one nail with this glitter and white. And finally, we definitely need to seal it with a top coat because the design is all shiny and glossy. Cure it in LED for 30 seconds and the design is ready. If you would ask me, Anastasia, how would you characterize this design using just one word? I would say it's weird. Something I would have created by myself or combined in one design. However, doing this kind of challenge was super fun and I enjoyed the process a lot. Let me guys know what do you think, how close did I get to recreating this design, and was it fun watching a video like this? Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.